Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep line breaks when pasting into Notion. If you've ever pasted text into Notion and watched all your careful spacing vanish, you are not alone. Notion is great at organizing content, but it can normalize formatting when you paste from places like documents, emails, or notes apps. The good news is, there are a few reliable ways to keep your original line breaks intact, so your text looks the way you intended. First, when you need every space and line preserved exactly as is, create a code block. Just type /code, select the code block, and paste your text inside it. Code blocks are designed to respect original whitespace. So tabs, multiple spaces, and all line breaks come through perfectly. Keep in mind that code blocks use a monospaced font and a distinct background, which is ideal for content where structure matters, like outlines, poetry, or pre-formatted notes. If your priority is fidelity to the original layout, this is the most straightforward approach. Next, use Shift+Enter to create a soft line break within a single block of text. By default, pressing Enter in Notion starts a new paragraph or even a new block, which can add extra spacing you don't want. Holding Shift while you press Enter drops the cursor to a new line without starting a new block, keeping the text visually tighter and more cohesive. This is perfect for addresses, compact lists, short lines of text within callouts, or any time you want multiple lines to live together as one unit without the extra gap. Finally, try pasting as plain text with Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus V. This strips out most external formatting, like fonts and colors, while often preserving the basic line breaks from your source. It's especially useful when copying from places that add hidden styling, such as web pages or Office documents. After pasting plain text, you can apply Notion's formatting features as needed, but your fundamental line structure is more likely to remain intact from the start. To recap, use a code block when exact spacing is critical. Use Shift+Enter for intentional line breaks inside a single block, and paste as plain text to bring content over cleanly while retaining core line breaks. Choose the option that best matches what you are pasting and how you want it to appear in your workspace. That's it for today. Try these methods the next time you paste into Notion and keep your layout looking just right. Thanks for watching.